What if one small device beside your furnace could add moisture throughout the entire house? That's the basic idea behind an Aprilaire whole house humidifier. Unlike a small portable humidifier, an Aprilaire whole house system works with your home's HVAC equipment to distribute humidity through the ductwork. The exact setup depends on the model. A humidifier control or compatible thermostat monitors humidity and signals the system when additional moisture is needed. Different Aprilaire controls and installations can operate differently. Inside an evaporative Aprilaire humidifier, one of the key components is the water panel evaporator. Think of it as the surface that supplies moisture to moving air. When the humidifier receives a call for humidity, water is introduced into the unit and distributed across the water panel. The exact water control method varies by model. As air moves through the moisture-laden panel, some of the water naturally evaporates into the airflow. The humidified air then continues through the HVAC ductwork. That moisture-filled air is carried through the home's supply ducts and released through the registers in different rooms. This is how one central system can humidify multiple areas. Not all of the supplied water becomes vapor. In many Aprilaire evaporative models, unused water helps flush mineral deposits from the system and exits through the drain. The HVAC blower provides the airflow needed to move air through the humidifier and distribute it around the home. Some Aprilaire systems can also control blower operation depending on their configuration. The goal isn't simply to make the air as humid as possible. Instead, the humidifier works with its control system to maintain the selected humidity level within the home's conditions. Once the system is installed, the humidity control determines when additional moisture is needed. Set the target according to your home's conditions and the instructions for your specific Aprilaire control. A whole house humidifier depends on several connections working together. Water supplies the humidifier, while the control and HVAC equipment coordinate when humidification should occur. The water panel is a maintenance item on many Aprilaire evaporative humidifiers. Over time, minerals from the water supply can collect on its surface and reduce its effectiveness. A heavily coated water panel doesn't perform the same way as a clean panel. That's why Aprilaire recommends regular inspection and replacement intervals appropriate for the specific model and installation. When replacing the panel, use the correct replacement part for your Aprilaire model. Position it properly inside the cabinet rather than forcing a different sized panel into place. The drain is another important part of the system. Make sure its tubing follows the installation requirements and isn't visibly kinked or blocked, so water can leave the humidifier properly. During dry winter weather, indoor humidity can fall as heated air circulates through the house. A whole house humidifier adds moisture when the control calls for it. More humidity isn't automatically better. Excessive indoor humidity can contribute to condensation, so the appropriate setting depends on outdoor temperature, the home, and the manufacturer's guidance. Checking the actual indoor humidity can help you understand how the system is performing. If the reading seems unusual, inspect the control settings and consult the appropriate Aprilaire documentation. So in simple terms, an Aprilaire whole house humidifier adds moisture to moving HVAC air, and that conditioned air is distributed through the home's ductwork. The exact process varies by Aprilaire model, but that's the basic principle behind whole house humidification.